how to find follow and invite friends settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find follow and invite friends on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then click these three lines here in the top corner. And as you see, then here you will see this one, settings. Click settings, and here you will find that this one, follow and invite friends. And as you see here, you can find follow and invite friends settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.